Hello viewers, my C drive is almost full. In this video I'll show you how to add more space, more storage in my C drive. So watch the full video. To add more storage in my C drive, go to search box and search disk management. Now click on create and format hard disk partitions. A new window will pop up here. Now you can see that there is unallocated 342 GB storage. If there is not unallocated storage, then you need to go to G drive or any drive, then click on shrink volume to add more storage here. I want to add 3 GB more storage in my unallocated storage. Then click on shrink. Now you can see that there is 345 GB. Now we need to install a software from Google. Go to Google and search Minitool Partition Wizard. Then go to this link. Click on download now. Now it will automatically download. Now click here and install it. It is just 2 MB software. Uncheck it. Next. Next. Wait for a few seconds. It is installing. After installing, open the software. Click on finish and open the software. Now you can see all the drive here. Now right click from C drive, extend. You can extend the size according to your desire. Now click on OK. Now you can see that the storage in C drive has been extended. This way you can extend your C drive storage. Wait for a few seconds. We need to click on apply. So click on apply. Yes. Wait for a few seconds. Now this storage has been extended. Now go to your PC and you can see the C drive storage. It has been extended. This way you can extend your C drive storage. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need virtual assistant service, then you can order me in Fiverr. My Fiverr link is given in my video description. So check my video description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.